Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can add reminders in monday.com. So if you have some important tasks that you would like add reminders for, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is you have to go to your home in monday.com, and then here you have to click new task, and here you can add any task. For example, I'm adding lunch because lunch is very important, and then I am going to add a reminder. So this bell button is called reminder. You click on your task and you click on this reminder button, and you can select reminder according to your choice. I'm selecting this reminder in 3 hours from now, and then I can set its priority to high or medium or low or whatever, and then you can this way set up a reminder in monday.com. So as you can see, my lunch reminder is in 3 hours from now. In this way you can set up reminders in monday.com. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.